Okay, so in this video, I want to show you how you can archive a project, and this can be useful if you've finished a project and you want to collect all of your bitmaps and your light files together and zip it up, compress it, and put it on an external hard drive or just file it away. This can also be helpful if you want to send somebody a scene file and have all the correct assets there. So there's a couple of things you want to do. Firstly, you want to make sure that all of your bitmaps and IES files, HDRs, are collected. So use relink bitmaps for this. And you can see I've got no missing files here, but if you did, you can search in this browse button and hit relink. So making sure that everything is linked correctly. Second, go over to the resource collector. And if you haven't got resource collector, hit this configure button here. Find resource collector, which is here. Just drag and drop that. Hit OK. So now we can open up resource collector. And here we'll go to browse. And for this example, I'm just going to use a folder on my desktop within archive called textures. I'm going to hit use path. And here I'm going to hit update materials and hit begin. And what this is going to do is move all of my textures into this folder, so they're all in one place. So once that's done, we can then go to file, archive, and I'm going to put that in that same archive folder and hit save. And this is going to save all of our textures and our light files and our 3ds Max file into a zip, which you can then send or save elsewhere. So now that's done, you'll see that you now have a zip file, so you can send that to someone and they can open it up and now have access to the Max file and all of the textures and everything they're going to need.